Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation for ENGO 451 Lab 5. Today I'll be discussing my project on analyzing traffic signal locations in Calgary using two distinct clustering techniques, DBSCAN and K-Means. We'll delve into the methodology, examine detailed results, and compare the strengths and weaknesses of each technique. Introduction and data retrieval. We begin by connecting to our PostgreSQL database where the traffic signals data is stored. This dataset is crucial as it contains geographic coordinates and other attributes essential for spatial analysis. Here, I ensured all data types were correct, particularly the latitude and longitude values, which must be numeric for our clustering algorithms to work effectively. Let's take a brief look at our cleaned dataset. Moving into our first clustering method, DBSCAN, I'll explain the algorithm's mechanics. DBSCAN groups points that are closely packed together while marking as noise those that lie alone in low-density regions. The parameters EPS and min samples are pivotal here. EPS is the maximum distance between 2 points for one to be considered in the neighborhood of the other, and min samples is the minimum number of points required to form a dense region. After testing various settings, I chose an ES of 0.15 and min samples of 15. This configuration helped us effectively distinguish between clusters and noise, which is often critical for urban planning applications. Let's look at the clustering visualization on the map, where I'll highlight how DBSCAN handles noise and forms clusters based on data density. K-means clustering. Next, we turn to K-means clustering. Unlike DBSCAN, K-means requires us to predefine the number of clusters. I selected 5 clusters to see how evenly the traffic signals can be grouped without any input on density or outlier detection. K-means works by assigning each point to the nearest cluster center and recalibrating the centers until the clusters are stable. Here's the visualization of our traffic signals partitioned into 5 distinct clusters. Notice how K-means forces every point into a cluster, providing a different perspective from DBSCAN. Comparative analysis. With both visualizations in front of us, we can dive into a comparative analysis. DBSCAN's flexibility with density and noise makes it robust for datasets with anomalies or irregular distributions, which is often the case in urban settings. On the other hand, K-means offers a straightforward approach to evenly split the dataset, ideal for uniform data distributions, but less effective when dealing with outliers or varying densities. Practical implications. I'll discuss how these clustering techniques can be applied in real-world scenarios, particularly in urban planning and traffic management. For instance, identifying high-density clusters of traffic signals can help in optimizing signal timing and placement to improve traffic flow and reduce congestion. Conclusion. In conclusion, both DBSCAN and K-means provide valuable insights into the spatial distribution of traffic signals, each with unique advantages depending on the dataset characteristics. Thank you for watching this detailed exploration of clustering techniques. All necessary files, including Python code and datasets, are included in my submission.